Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to TUSD on Binance. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search convert. Convert, you can like this and search it and you will find convert page here. You can click it. And then as you can see in this page, you can convert your USDT to TUSD. In the top here, make sure it's USDT. Then in the bottom, you can change to TUSD. Click this one, and you can fill the amount here. I will max it, and you will see the amount of TUSD you will receive. And then if you share, you can click trade here, and this is you can just click confirm and processing, and it's done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.